Welcome. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the updated process of creating a new account on Discord. If you're ready to join the millions of users connecting with friends and communities, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Discord app. If you don't have it yet, make sure to download it from the Play Store. Once you're in the app, look to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Tap on it to access your account settings. Next, in the top right corner, you'll notice a gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and tap on that to enter the settings menu. Once you're in, scroll down a bit until you see the option that says Add Account. Give that a tap. Now, it's time to create your new account. Tap on Register to start the process. You'll see on-screen instructions guiding you to fill in your email, username, password, and date of birth. Make sure to choose a username that reflects your personality, but is also unique. Once you've filled everything out, you'll need to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Take a moment to read through them if you'd like, then tap Create Account. And just like that, you're all set. You've successfully created a new Discord account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.